In this tutorial, we will show you how to replace a Hayward eyeball assembly. First, you will remove your eyeball assembly by turning it counterclockwise. Once loosened, the lock ring and the eyeball will easily detach. You will now need to remove the inner eyeball fitting by turning it counterclockwise. If the fitting cannot be removed by hand, we recommend using the seat removal tool. To use the removal tool, insert the key into the grooves of the fitting and turn it counterclockwise. Once the fitting becomes loose, you can now easily remove the fitting by hand. You are now ready to install the new assembly. First, install the inner fitting by turning it clockwise until fully tightened. Now you can insert the eyeball and loosely attach the lock ring over the eyeball by turning it clockwise. Next, push the eyeball into the desired position. Retighten the lock ring and make sure the eyeball did not change positions in the process. You have now successfully replaced your Hayward eyeball assembly. If you have any questions, please contact your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.